Oh boy. Today, we're testing for leaks on the AC system, which obviously leaks because it doesn't work. But we'll see how bad here in a minute. So I got the hoses hooked up to the system, the vacuum pump here running away, and gotta let it run for a few minutes, and then we'll close these and see how fast they drop down. It's been running for about 3 or 4 minutes now. It's probably good. Let's close the system up. Sorry about that, got interrupted there. Alright, so shut the pump off. Made sure to close these guys up. And we just got to keep an eye on that. If it doesn't drop down much, we'll have to try charging it up and seeing what happens. So we'll come back to this in like 10 minutes or something and see how it's going. Alright, so it's been like 5 minutes and it's already dropped down a bit. There's definitely a leak somewhere. I mean, who would believe it with these perfect condition AC hoses and lines, right? I mean, they're in such good condition. You know they're good. And by that I mean they're probably toast. Yeah, crap sticks. We could always try the miracle bullshit in a can to see if it actually will seal these up a little bit, but the proper way of fixing this really is to just replace, well, everything. The compressor's probably fine, but the lines, possibly the condenser, and I didn't hear any hissing sounds in the cabin, so I don't think it's the evaporator that's gone bad, which isn't common on these. It's usually the hoses and the condenser that fail. So, yeah. Bogus. Oh well. $95,000 miles. 5,000 to go to 100,000.